welcome you today to Smart Money AI. As you already know, on this channel, I've dedicated my time to creating content on how best you can maximize profit. You can make money online through your mobile phone and also your internet connection. So today I come your way again with another exciting update, which I think really you're going to like. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $1,000 a day with just your smartphone. So without much ado, let's dive in. Please, if today happens to be your first time coming across a content here, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button so whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. So it's a new site that just popped up, and the truth is, guys are already cashing out, especially my past. So I decided to let you know and show you how you can also cash out from this site. So the first thing is having an account on this site, and a link to this site will be dropped in the comment section, and I'll also pin it, right? So whenever you check, you will find it easily, right? So when you open the link, this is where it will bring you to. Please, you can also check the description section of the video for the link, right? So just create an account today, follow the instructions I'm about to show you, and boom, you will be good to go. So when you open the link, this is where it will bring you to, right? So on the first section, or in your first attempt, you need to create an account. So just enter your email address here. So let me do it for you to see my email address. Let me use stanley52@gmail.com. Okay, so I'm using this email, right? I'm using this email, stanley52@gmail.com. I've already created an account, right? But I only want to use this to teach you how you go about it. Here it will ask for your login password. That's the password you need when you want to log into this account. So let me enter something like Stanley1. And another one, it will also ask of security password. You can choose a different password, but to avoid storage that touches the heart, I'm using the same password I used, that Stanley1. And here it will ask for your Telegram username, and as you already know, Telegram usernames always start with @ so mine is @Stanley1. You enter. If you don't, even if you don't have Telegram, just enter something there starting with @ and the most important thing, else you won't be getting your bonus, make sure the invitation code is 125794. Take note, the invitation code should be 125794. If you see a different invitation code, just do this. Kindly click on it. You can delete it and enter 125794 there, right? That's my code. And when you use my code and create an account, provided you encounter any problem, I'll reach out to them for them to sort you out. So as you are done, you just click on this sign up. You click on this arrow, right? Just click on that, and then your accounts will be created. So let's wait. So look at the update. The minimum deposit amount, this is the real deal, so stay tuned as I take you through. The minimum deposit amount is 7 USDT. That's you invest only $7, and the minimum withdrawal amount is 1 USDT. So if you withdraw, you invest 7 USDT. Okay, let's move on. Number of withdrawals, it's only once per day, so you have to take note of your withdrawals. And then mission update, Singapore, blah 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 blah. Okay, so level, there are so many levels. So here you just click on I know this, I know, and then it will bring you to your dashboard here, right? Now how are you going to deposit, right? How are you going to deposit? How are you going to withdraw? Let me take you through some few steps here before we dive in. Guys, make money with your phones. Okay, make sure you make this money. When you want to deposit, you click on this, and when you want to withdraw, that's where you click, right? You can only deposit with that's USDT. Okay. Okay, so to deposit, you just click on deposit, and then you have your unique address, right? So you just click on copy address, and then your address will be copied fully. So you just go to any exchange, either it's OKX, whether it's Binance. I've already made videos on how you can buy USDT with your local currency. So you just go to the exchange, you watch the video. If you don't know how to do it, go through my channel, you'll find it. You buy your 8 or 10 USDT, and then you withdraw it to this same address that you will copy here, right? After that, after you send, you just come here and then click on recharge complete, and when you go back, it will reflect in your balance, right? It will reflect here. So once you've deposited, you click on this is what you'll be doing. You will be performing this is what you'll be doing to be getting your money on a daily basis, right? You click on mission, right? You click on mission and look at something here. Okay, it's saying level does not exist. It's because this a new account, and I've not, how should I say it, I've not deposited in this account. It's a new one. Right after this video, I'll deposit in this too and start making some money. So you see the machines here, you just click on it, and then it will be loaded. This is just like the old ones that came, guys. It's very new, so make some money and go your way, right? Now you can also click on this team. You can also click on this if you want. That's if you want to invite others, right? You just click on that, right? I hope you've seen it. And then you'll get your referral code here, right? And then you also get your referral link, so you can copy and then send to your friend, right? Now let's click on VIP, and I'll show you something. Let's click on VIP. Let's click on this VIP. So I'll show you something, right? Okay, so this is where the main deal is, right? You see it's saying daily task 1, that's level 1. If you deposit 7 USDT, that 7 USDT is going to give you 33 USDT, and the minimum withdrawal is what, one USDT a day. So it means each day you are going to be getting 1.1 USDT. So in a week or in less than 10 days, you will make profit, and the remaining days will be profit, right? When you go to level 2, the the daily task is 1. So it means every day when you click on machines, you'll be performing only 1 task, and for every day you'll be withdrawing $4, and you can unlock level 2 with 30 USDT. Me like this, I unlocked level 2, right? And every day I'm getting 4 USDT. It's really cool, and that 4 USDT will be giving you 120 USDT or $120 profit. Just imagine, guys, this is so cool and it's new. So let's ride on. When you come to level 3, you can unlock it with 90 USDT, and each day you'll be getting like 15 USDT. Just imagine. And the total profit you'll be getting is $450. Guys, it goes on and on and on. But please know that this isn't a financial advice. I'm making this video for educational purpose. It's an info that I've had, and I'm trying to reveal it to you so that you ride along. So don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy, right? Sometimes if you are too greedy, you'll be cheated or you'll be used as liquidity. So apply proper risk management before you enter into this. And I'm really making good money from this, guys. I'm making good money. And now after you've made some money, let me show you how you can withdraw. Let me click on home. So I click on home, and then you just have to click on withdraw, right? Once you click on withdraw, let's see something here, right? So when you click on withdraw, you see your balance here, right? You see your balance. You just you see it's a payment type USDT. You'll be withdrawing in USDT. So here you enter the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw 5. and then you go to either Binance, OKX, KuCoin, any exchange of your choice, right? I will also leave my OKX link. So if you don't have an account on any exchange, you can use it to create an account. You go to the exchange, you click on deposit, you copy your USDT address, and for the network, make sure you choose TRC20. You come and paste that address here, right? When you paste the address, then you enter your security password. If you remember when we were creating the account, you enter the security password and then you click on confirm. Immediately you does that, guys, you go to your exchange, and then you will see your coins or your money right smiling at you in your account. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's it. I hope you found value in this content. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, so that people will also benefit from the goodies I'm bringing to you here. It's Stanley One. And as a reminder, please, a link for you to register will be shared right in the description section of this video. So all you have to do is to use the link to create your account and start making money today. Thank you. See you another time. Bye bye.